Hey, don't miss today's top Amazon Lightning deals. You can save big on tech, home, and fashion picks. These are limited time offers, so let's dive in. The Ninja Air Fryer and Toaster Oven Prestige Smart XL is on deal right now. You get 10% off. It's now $206.19, down from $229.99. This is a super versatile countertop oven that bakes, toasts, air fries, and reheats. Next up, the Gear Warrior 8.5-inch all-terrain hoverboard. It's 25% off, now $268.89. Earlier, it was $359. This self-balancing scooter comes with Bluetooth speakers and LED lights, so you can ride in style. Alright, next up is the Ultranis Women's Summer Wrap Dress. You can snag this flowy midi dress with a super flattering V-neck design for 64% off. It's now just $19.99 down from $55.99. That's a pretty sweet deal if you're looking to refresh your summer wardrobe. Now, let's talk about the Netgear Orbi Holho Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6 Mesh System. This one's 44% off, so it's $499.97 instead of $899.99. It covers up to 7,500 square feet and delivers high-speed Wi-Fi to up to 100 devices. That's perfect if you need reliable internet all over your home. Up next is the Manlo Dani Men's Quilted Sweatshirt. This stylish waffle stand collar pullover with a handy pocket is now 74% off. You can get it for just $17.99, down from $69.99. Honestly, that's a steal for something that's both cozy and cool. Okay, so make sure to grab your favorites before they're gone. All the links are in the description and the pinned comment. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. Best Deals Now 360 for daily Amazon deals from around the world.